President Emmerson Mnangagwa could face growing political and military pressure reminiscent of the events that led to the removal of former President Robert Mugabe in 2017 after war veterans and retired military commanders signaled their opposition to any attempt to extend his stay in power. Sabina Mash Kobra Yuachin's Junda points cans at Mnangagwa no subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timina no more brand Yuachin's. The warning signs emerged on Thursday when the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association ZNLWVA publicly aligned itself with a group of retired Liberation War commanders who recently rejected proposal for constitutional amendments that could prolong Mnangagwa's rule beyond the current term limits. In a strongly worded statement, the war veterans said they supported the position taken by the retired commanders, arguing that Zimbabwe's liberation struggle was fought to ensure that political power ultimately resides with the people. As an organization representing those who fought to liberate this nation from colonial rule, we wish to state clearly and unequivocally that we stand in full support of the principled position articulated by our fellow veterans, the association said. The war veterans emphasized that the liberation struggle was rooted in the principles of majority rule, universal suffrage, and popular sovereignty, values they said are now embodied in Zimbabwe's 2013 constitution. The constitution is not merely a legal document, it is the collective covenant of the people of Zimbabwe, the statement said. The association warned that any attempt to amend the constitution for political convenience risks undermining the democratic ideals for which thousands of liberation fighters sacrificed their lives. The intervention by war veterans and retired commanders has drawn attention because of the decisive role similar actors played in the November 2017 military intervention that forced Mugabe to resign after nearly 4 decades in power. In that episode, senior military commanders led the then Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander General Constantino Chiwenga placed Mugabe under house arrest in what the military describes as Operation Restore Legacy. Observers say the statement reflects growing unease among liberation war elites, a constituency that is historically wielded significant influence within ZANU-PF and security establishment. Their renewed activism has raised speculation that internal dynamics that produced the 2017 coup could once again be taking shape within Zimbabwe's ruling establishment. The Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association reiterated that the sovereignty of our country ultimately rests with its citizens. And the same events in 2017, it seems like they are repeating at the moment. Pin comment section, so subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.